Hello, my loves. I am doing a super brief video to let you know that this Sunday, February 7th, I'm going to be hosting and teaching a workshop called Easy Love Potions. This is an amazing workshop that I'm so excited to be teaching because we're going to be getting into love potions that are easy to make. But even if you have experience making some love potions, I think you're going to be really inspired. We're not only going to be working with teas and herbs, we're going to be learning gem elixirs, how to work with personal concerns, flower elixirs, bitters, polyjuice potions. I mean, we're going to be doing it all. So I hope you'll sign up. The place to sign up is witchcraftworkshops.com. That'll take you over to my website and you'll see the link to sign up. And you can join me this Sunday, February 7th. You can join us live because we're having it at 5 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Mountain, 7 p.m. Central, and 8 p.m. Eastern on Sunday. But even if you can't make the live, everybody that signs up, everybody that pays for the course is going to get a recording. So even if you can't be there for the whole thing or you can't be there at all, you'll still get a recording. Even if you're there, you'll get a recording. You can go back and review it at any time. So I hope you'll join me for this amazing workshop. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye-bye.